Namaskar friends, I welcome you all to video 4 of week 12. In this video, we'll talk about AI, NLP and the future of linguistic surveillance. We'll discuss about the opportunities, risks and ethical pathways. Friends, we'll discuss about how the digital world speaks and how machines are learning to listen. Today, we enter the zone where technology meets linguistic science. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing are no longer futuristic concepts. They are everyday tool shaping communication, surveillance and investigation. But with technological power comes ethical responsibility. We must understand not only what AI can do, but also what it should do and what it must never do. Friends, we need to accept the role of AI, the leverage of AI in linguistic analysis, how machine learns different patterns that we struggle to see. Friends, AI systems, especially machine learning models, can analyze writing patterns, semantic clusters, syntactic habits, sentiment flows, and digital discourse structures. They detect micro patterns that humans might miss. These tools support forensic linguistics by automating large-scale comparisons, scanning massive corpora, and identifying anomalies. But AI does not understand language. It recognizes statistical patterns only. The expert remains irreplaceable because meaning requires human judgment. Friends, NLP enables systems to flag suspicious phrases in digital conversations, analyze trends in hate speech, detect coordinated misinformation campaigns, trace linguistic signatures across platforms, and extract sentiment shifts in threatening communication. NLP assists law enforcement and cyber experts by reducing manual workload. But NLP outputs are probabilistic, not definitive. Ethical oversight must ensure these tools are used as aids at supporting tools, not as automated decision markers or decision makers, we can say. When it comes to AI in authorship detection, we need to be very clear from promise to precaution. AI-powered stylometry can help cluster writing styles, identify similar authorship patterns, and analyze lexical variety. However, AI can overfit, misclassify, or misinterpret due to data bias, lack of contextual understanding, influence of gender variations, or multilingual complexity. Forensic linguists must interpret AI results critically. Human validation is essential because courts require accountable reasoning, not unexplained algorithmic output. Friends, deepfake text generators and cloned voices complicate investigation. Threat messages may no longer come from human minds. Recorded confessions may not be authentic. Voice-based fraud has surged. This era demands experts who can identify unnatural linguistic patterns, analyze stylistic inconsistencies, expose machine-generated phrasing, and evaluate metadata anomalies. Forensic linguistics becomes the human guardrail against synthetic deception. Friends, AI models learn from human-generated data. If the data contains regional stereotypes, caste bias, gendered interpretations, or socialect prejudice, the model inherit the same. For example, some sentiment models misclassify dialect-heavy writing as aggressive. Some authorship tools treat multilingual users as inconsistent. Some threat classifiers overflag minority speech patterns. Ethical forensic linguistics requires recognizing algorithmic vulnerability and ensuring correctness. When it comes to privacy versus surveillance, we have to be very clear, where do we draw the line? AI allow mass monitoring of digital speech. Every post, chat, comment, and tweet can be analyzed. While this helps track criminal communication, it risks intruding into private expression. Surveillance tools must operate within legal limits. Ethical experts advocate for clear warrant requirements, minimal intrusion policies, data retention boundaries, and safeguards to prevent misuse. In protecting language, we also protect the liberty. Let's talk about one reflection where AI helped, but human expertise solved the puzzle. In one hypothetical digital fraud investigation, AI flagged repeated phrases across multiple scam messages. But only human analysis recognized that certain metaphorical expressions reflected a specific regional speech habit. AI could not understand cultural nuance. The case demonstrated that AI is a powerful partner but not a replacement. Human linguistic intelligence remains essential for accuracy and fairness. Friends, courts are gradually using AI for document summarization, sentiment assessment in testimonies, keyword extraction from evidence, and consistency checking in statements. But experts must guide interpretation to avoid misjudgment. AI cannot measure tone, intention, or context at a human level. The courtroom must use AI responsibly, ensuring that linguistic evidence remains grounded in human reasoning. Friends, when it comes to ethical integration, we have to be very clear that how AI should support, not replace, human judgment. Ethical integration means AI handles scale, NLP handles automation, human handle interpretation. These partnerships strengthens investigations without surrendering control to algorithms. The guiding principle is AI assists, but humans decide. This ensures fairness, accountability, and transparency with reference to investigation. Friends, future experts must require corpus linguistic proficiency, basic understanding of NLP, awareness of algorithmic bias, skills in analyzing synthetic text and voice, and acknowledge of digital communication behavior. Technology evolves, training must evolve with it. The forensic linguist of the future is both analyst and a digital interpreter. The policy question is, how do we regulate AI in linguistic justice? This question is now global. Many countries are drafting AI acts. India is exploring digital regulation under the Digital India Act. Linguistic surveillance tools, especially those involving speech and identity, must follow strict oversight. Forensic experts will play an important role in shaping these regulations by providing scientific insight. Friends, whatever we say about AI, that AI is powerful, but humanity must lead. This is what I believe. I'm very much grateful to you people for joining this session. Friends, AI and NLP are transforming forensic linguistics, offering extraordinary possibilities, yet demanding heightened ethical judgment. Technology amplifies expertise but cannot replace the human conscience. In the next video, we'll explore surveillance ethics, accountability models, and how institutions balance security with civil liberties in linguistic monitoring systems. Until I catch you in the next video, till then, stay tuned with this course. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Jai Hind.